electrical engineers here in the undergraduate and graduate level are always doing research projects trying to optimize any system of renewable energy by plugging it into the existing grid and smoothly distributing power to people whenever they need it the most during peak moments. That you have the resources to do all the software simulation you'll do during your class labs.
I like to say that computer science is more of a focus on the software and the programming, a lot of the algorithms, and just kind of optimizing how we write programs for today's architecture. Whereas computer engineering is more of the hardware. So our computer engineers are making our systems faster, more optimal, and draw less power and smaller.
What I like most about the chemical engineering department is it gives you the opportunity to go through the curriculum and still go to medical school, so I thought it was a good degree. You can go into the pharmaceutical industry, you can go into the chemical industry, you can go into the oil. The professors have an open door policy where you can go and talk to them in their office. If you have any questions about homework or class lecture, you can go into their office and ask them any questions.
Well, let's say you chose mechanical engineering and civil engineering. Wow, okay, that's awesome. Civil engineers clean your water. We clean your drinking water. The water you drink from your faucet, the water you take a shower with, all your daily water uses, civil engineers clean and treat. It's not just about building structures or riding on a train. There's a four sub-disciplines to civil engineering. There's geotechnical, water resource and water treatment, structures, and transportation.
You take all the required classes through med school, and you also get kind of a different perspective on problem solving, and it looks really good to med schools. They know that you challenge yourself, and they really like what engineers think, so you're very desirable, and almost everyone from our program has gotten into med school, the med school of their choice. There are three branches in the biological engineering department. There's ecological engineering, biotechnology, and biomedical engineering.
A lot of the emphasis that we have within mechanical engineering come from automotive engineering, aerospace engineering, nanotechnology, energy system, biomaterials, and a ton of different things that you can make your own. So when we think about mechanical engineering, we think about more of the physics-based type of engineering, trying to use forces and different torques to make things work, such as how the pistons in a motor make it run faster, make you get the top torque and speed that you want in your car. It's a great major. You can do whatever you really want with it. One of the big emphasis that I think is mechanical design, because that stems anywhere from a watch on someone's wrist all the way to an electric powered car.
We're typically talking to people, and as I said, bridge that gap. We're the social engineers. We're also learning those problem-solving skills, which companies are really interested in. We're typically hired by your big Fortune 500 companies like Walmart, Tyson, and J.B. Hunt, who are all headquartered in Northwest Arkansas. A lot of the degrees like to call us the imaginary engineers, but that's fine because we like to say, imagine calling us boss.